Grand awakening, Capricorn, my earth babies. Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some great things for you. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the ebooks, the music. Your word of the day is attention. Capricorn, pay attention to the small things. The one small nail at the corner of the table, if it is loose, it will jeopardize the stability of the whole table, the whole gift, the whole dream, the whole product. So look at how you are evolving each one of your obstacles, your tests. Remember what tactics you are using. Put it in your backpack, your knapsack. So in this next season where you come to difficult times or challenges, you know how you navigate it because you're like, I've seen this before. I felt this before. I know exactly what to do. I am attentive to all that manifests within me. Are you? Every feeling, every sensation. Do you believe you're in the right place, around the right people, doing the right service? Trust your intuition, trust your energy. When negativity arises within me, I transform it into light, love, and hope. My life and my love for others is unconditional. I forgive. Therefore, you can see the child in every single being, even if they are being rude or being their lowest vibrational self. You can see the child in them, and you can see that they don't mean it. They're just hurt. Remember, hurt people, but we're healed. Healed people, heal people. My desire to improve is constant. I am firm, brave, and hardworking, which you are. Follow through. Pay attention to all the small things. Pay attention to your own energy because it's telling you the truth. Act on it because you're heading to a great place in your life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.